Hey YouTube, this is Hello for Cloud, back to another video. I said I'd make the unboxing of Bakugan Bakutrinity, and so I am. You can see Bakugan Rectangular Surge. This is a pretty big box, so let me fix my camera so you can see good. Like that. As you can see, the 3 Bakugan. Fix that. Now right here, this is a darkest type. That's Baku Cyclone Strike. And then right here, that's Subterra. That's right there, right on the foot. I don't know if you can see that. That's Baku Lava Storm. And then up here, obviously, it's a Pyrus. It is Baku Camo Strike. I mean Surge. And right here it says the jump. And then let me read what it has. Sorry about that. My little brother's playing with my Bakugan. And then there's a Baku battle suit. And you could get it has 3 Bakugan, 3 ability cards, and 3 metal gate cards. And that's pretty much all of it. Now let me open it. Let's see, it says right here it includes 1 Baku Sky Raider. Get it right there. At least I think it does. I don't know if the other ones are Baku Sky Raiders. Let me open this. Oh. Where's my cards? Sorry about that, my little brother. So here are the Bakugan. For some reason his head won't go in, and then the card. And of course right here has the Bakugan rule. Right. So let me show you the gate cards. Let's see, right here. Gate cards. This first one is Joyous Noise. It has no writing. And then there's Silver Fire, which says Silver Baku Nano or 100 G power. Add 100 G power for players with Pyrus or Chaos. Now Baku Nano, I might get it next time a little warmer. And then again another Joyous Noise. Oh wait, this is the first Joyous Noise. My bad. Put it in the wrong place. And then there's Snowblind. Now these are real cool, right there. Wait, let me read you what Snowblind says. If this is your enemy's gate card, you get the gate attribute bonus 2 extra times. While this card is in your use pile, your Bakugan are minus 100 G power. So these are the gate cards. Now let me read you the ability cards. There's Baku Sky Raiders, of course. Play before your first roll. Put this card face up anywhere in the field other than it's on top of a gate card. On any turn a Baku Sky Raiders jumps and lands on this card, it gains G power based on its attribute. This would be a real good card. See, the back is blue and the rest are just red. Regular. Reloader Kappa. Right here it says, play during a battle. Add G power based on attribute. Flip a coin on heads. Place this card in your unused pile at the end of the battle. Pretty good card. And finally, Corral Grab. Play during a battle where you have a corral. Your enemy must play a support piece in from their unused pile. This is pretty good. And then here's the rule book. Pretty good. And now, here we go, the bakugan. Whoa, for some reason it just opened. Sorry about that, my little brother just started chucking. And open that inside for a little bit. So you have, see this? This one. This, of course, this is not a Sky Raider, Baku Sky Raider. But it looks pretty cool. Oh, look at this. Wow. And then the feet. Wow, it's just like one big, it's like, it's part of the, just goes like that. Pretty good. Now let me put it back into a ball. See, the feet just fly out. And then look at the G's real quick. Yeah. The G is 1,030 G's. Sorry about the noise, my little brother opening his ring pop. So you have this looks like it's a pretty strong bakugan. Nice. Folds up, goes into a ball. Really nice. Here's my other one, which I think it might be the same. No, it's different. Bam, right there. Nice bakugan. Yep, folds out. The G's is pretty good too. 1,020 G's. Nice bakugan. Nice bakugan. I definitely like these. Now here comes the last bakugan, which already has its feet out. Which this one is the same as my other bakugan, my Akos. Looks like I have two the same. Only one's Subterra and one's Akos. Get into view. Pretty nice. I figured out how to close it up. Your feet. Put that back down there. Close this. You could tell when it's closed it up because you hear like a click. So go right there. Put it on. Let me see if I can get it into there. Right now. You don't wait till you hear you gotta wait till you hear a click. Once you hear like a click, then you know that it's folded up nice. Of course, this is the Sky Raider, Baku Sky Raider. Even if you don't hear a click, what I do is just hold it like this for a while. And it holds up into a ball. And this one doesn't want to do it, so I just take out my bakugan right now. Of course, it has like these doors, kind of. Here we go. Got him. Well, there you go, the bakutrinity. Pretty nice. I think you're able to connect them to each other. Like this would go like this. This would go like this. And then you'd have this one too, like a leg. It's gonna be like a leg. And this one has this down here. be able to actually just put it up right on there. Anyway, looks like they're riding each other. I think would sound kind of gay. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Show you the background once more. And later.